State the number of significant figures in the following. A, that is 0.007 per meter square. Since the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right to the decimal, that is the zeros on the right to the decimal before the first non-zero, that is 7, is insignificant. So the number 7 is the only significant digit. That is, the number 7 is the only significant digit. The value of 2.64 into 10 to the power 24 per kg. For determination of significance value, we do not consider the power of 10. Therefore, the digit 2, 6 and 4 are the significant digits, and we have 3 significant digits. The value of 0.2370. For this given value, all the numbers 2, 3, 7 and even 0 is a significant digit, because the 0 is after the other significant digits. Therefore, it has 4 significant digits. The value of 6.320 joules, it has 4 significant digits as 6, 3, 2 and 0. The value of 6.032, all the 4 digits are significant as the zeros is in between two non-zero values, which is also considered as significant. The value of 0.0006032. As we saw that the first 3 zeros after the decimal is insignificant. Only 6032 are significant numbers, so there are 4 significant digits.